Good morning, sunshines. Yeah? Are you hungry? Do I need to come outside? Oh, look at you. Pooped right in front of the gate. Puppies! Did you poop right in front of the gate and then you smashed it? Alright, let's go outside. Yeah. No, let's be off. Okay. Hurry, go outside. Oh, we're all stuck. Good babies. I didn't put it on the ground yet. Come on, let's go out in the yard and go potty first. Mama dog. I know. No, we're just hungry. We're not gonna pee. Come on, babies. Oh, you can't. Ugh, I can't walk. Come on. It's gonna be hot today. Okay. Gonna go potties? Got orange. Or pink. No potties? Just breakfast time. Okay. You did all your potting on the floor. Run away, Mama. Okay, babies. It's dinner time. Very good. Look at Pink with a sit. Yay! Oh, there. We're hungry. Okay, we'll get you some water.